How we doing today, folks? Today we're going to try to get this old 300 running. It's been sitting a little while. Now the wind, I'm guessing, had been what done it. The brother-in-law's tongue on this thing stuck open to rain down in there. And I don't know if it's locked up or not. We're going to find out. You got to have one of these little booster box, because if y'all like anything like us around here, everything we got, battery's dead on it. Then, of course, keep you some ditty in a can. Make things cooperate a little bit easier. Now I'm going to run this down. And all that does makes it easier for it to start. Be tough to turn sometimes. I'd say this thing's locked plumb up. We'll find out though. Yeah. Now. I don't know how much fuel's in it. We've had this thing for a long time, really. We ain't put all that much fuel in it. Get this mess out of the way. There you go, chew on that. Yeah, let's give it a spat here. See what it'll do. I'd say it's locked up. Come on now. Be something with this battery. This battery, I bet it's every bit of 10-year-old. If I can get this thing to bite, it might be all right. Try that. Still nothing. I might have hooked this thing right to the starter. About right though. Something said a long time. When you don't really need it, but you need to move it, it'll fire right up and move. When you actually need to use it, like I do today, you can't get it to do nothing. First of all, that ain't tight enough. Just brought me a hammer. Let's use this. Yeah. Hard to have something. Yeah. Come on. I don't know. Let's see. As far as I know, ain't nothing been unhooked. Charger might be too dead. Let's see, 46. That might be what it is. Might not just be putting enough through it. I'll have to go charge it, because it won't click or do nothing with it. Oh, some help you are. There, get it back right on that post. I'd say this thing's too dead to do anything, I believe. Yeah, it come right back off again. That's great. Gotta love junk. Who needs a battery anyway? Don't make nothing like they used to. Try to scratch it a little bit. There we go. Stay on now. It won't even click. Give me a block of wood here. Excuse me, Orville, don't let me disturb your hard work. Get to it. Got a whole garage over there. Let's see. Better click this time. Up, up. Yep. A little bit more ditty in the can. I believe she'll be good to go. It's gonna be my longest video ever done, I believe. Most of it just me rambling about nonsense. That's all right though. That's what most YouTube is, nonsense. But it might fit in good. All right. Out of the way, dog. Come on now. Not enough juice. This thing's probably gonna have to be charged because it sure ain't got enough, does it? If I can get a good bite on that, it might. Yeah. Loose as the brain on the Democratic Party, I believe. There. Try that. I ain't got my good booster box here, or we'd use it. A little bit stronger than this one. I have no clue how to edit YouTube videos, so this is just going to either be one long run on, or maybe I'll do a two-part thing and waste your time on the first video, and it might start in the second one. I'd say that's what's going to have to be, because this thing's... Oh. All right. Now, last time, come on. Nope. Okay, I'll get back with you in the second video then. Maybe I can get this dog to do something by then. We'll get it going on.